Will installing reinforcement hardware void warranties on your existing door or lock systems depends on the specific warranty terms and whether the modification affects the product as intended. Most manufacturers specify that alterations which change the original performance or structure can void coverage, so start by locating and reading the full warranty document for both the door and the lock. If the language is unclear, call the manufacturer and ask a recorded or written clarification about installing reinforcement plates, longer screws, or strike box replacements. When possible, choose reinforcement products that the door or lock brand explicitly lists as compatible or endorsed. That alignment reduces the chance of a denied claim. Install using manufacturer-recommended fasteners and torque values so you are not accused of improper installation. If you are hiring a professional, request and keep documentation of their credentials and an itemized invoice that describes exactly what was installed and why. Retain photos from before, during, and after installation to demonstrate no destructive modifications were made to the original product. Common mistakes include assuming any aftermarket reinforcement is automatically covered by the original warranty because it appears minor. Avoid this by getting the manufacturer's direction first. Another issue is using incorrect fasteners that split jams or void the finish warranty. Always match screw length and material recommendations and, when in doubt, pre-drill holes sized to the screw root diameter. A third concern is poor documentation when a service request later arises. Prevent disputes by saving receipts, manufacturer replies, installation notes, and dated photos, so you can show the change was additive and not destructive. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by listing local professionals and providing a community where people share experiences about upgrades and warranties. We help homeowners find potential installers and help contractors find work while fostering discussion threads where users compare product compatibility and installation tips.